good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom. Yes, a little bit late today, right? Hello Dancy, how are you? And this is Forex Trading Course 101. Everybody remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way. The three pillars. Pillar number one is the market, and we are trying to learn about the market with the basic module, beginner module, intermediate module. Pillar number two is the strategy. So we are going to learn how to form a strategy, everybody, in the advanced module. And pillar number three is the big one, and it's called the trader, right? And we're going to learn about the trader more in the Forex course 202. Moving forward, what the champion traders always say that I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. I'm going to do 20 trades, 30 trades, 100 trades, and then I'm going to be happy. Or maybe I'm going to be sad, but I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And never forget, you are graduating from this course, Forex Course 101, when? Number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place. You understand why you win and or lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Today we're going to talk about the euro pairs, everybody. What is your prediction for this week for Euro NZD, Euro Dollar, Euro GBP, Euro AUD, right? Euro CHF. So you are going to graduate when you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can make an educated prediction. Remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. These streams are not trading or investment advice, everybody. These streams are for educational purposes only. Always remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try ours? And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. And remember, it's going to take you approximately 1 year, if not more. Okay? Now, we've been talking yesterday. I know some of you, and you are calling me now, oh, I don't want to spend a year. See, everybody, this is why we are giving you the what are called during the year. We are going to give you the fast track series. Okay, it's not mandatory. You are going to learn this anyway, everybody. But Saturday, August 27th. Okay, it's half a day workshop. You are going to do things, everybody. Okay, it's going to cost you, it's not going to be for free. 53 bucks. Okay, a lot of money. And number one, why would this be for you? I don't know, but if you want to speed up your learning in the Forex market and what works, this might be a reason. Number two, you are going to meet other professional traders that were here before you. Dukascopy webinars from 2017, and I'm giving you my system away for free, everybody. Okay, my system has an edge. I'm going to give you for free. And everybody remember, if you are already in a private classes or two, this is for you for free. Okay, it's free for you. And moving forward, somebody's already typing, not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform, oh, why are you giving your system away? Great question, and here are the answers. Number one, I am looking for traders. Number two, everybody, beginner traders, trading is nothing special. Make sense? Making money on the Forex market, when you get all of this stuff plus the trader stuff, it's really nothing special. It takes some time for you to understand how the market works. It takes some time for you to understand how you work as a trader, but in the end, it's nothing special. Makes sense? Making money in the financial markets, beginner traders, please hear me out, is nothing special. It's a skill. You know, from 8 years ago, it doesn't matter the stock market or the forex market or, you know, nowadays the crypto market. You know, those rules and concepts, you know, are nothing special. Type in the chat, everybody, does this make sense to you? And my system is nothing special too. Make sense? You're going to see it, you know, it's, oh, I could build this, sure. It's nothing special, but it has an edge and it's making, if you understand it, it's making pips and money. Anyways, today we're going to talk about, everybody type in the chat, euro pairs. We have the adjust the Contrarian Fibonacci in a downtrend. Most of the euro pairs on the daily chart are down. Type in the chat a euro pair that you want to check. And remember, first comes, first is served. And I almost forgot, right? From yesterday, we need to finish AUDCHF. Queen, we need to finish AUDCHF from yesterday, everybody. AUDCHF, where is it? AUDNZD 2019. And AUD 2022 maybe, this one. Yesterday, everybody, we were talking about the Contrarian Fibonacci in an uptrend. So looks like, no, it's not this one. Where is our AUDCHF, everybody? Give me a second. Maybe in here, AUDCAT 2022, AUDCHF, Euro GBP NZD, AUDCAT 2019, AUD 2022, oh there you go. Yeah, give me a second, everybody. Type in the chat the euro pair that you want to check. There is no right or wrong. And here we are, right? So this is from yesterday, everybody. We talked about the market and everything, right? So yesterday the market was making higher highs, higher lows. We clarified a few things, where to enter, how to enter, right? And seeing here, everybody, Julius, if you're here, the market again start making lower lows, lower highs, right? Lower lows, lower highs, and bam, one more time. Lower lows, lower highs, right? See what happens, everybody. So just in conclusion about AUDCHF from yesterday, if you would put your stop loss, so this was our entry, or this was our entry in here, if you would put your stop loss, this one in here, in the wrong place on the Fibonacci, right, you would be stopped out. You would say, oh, this Fibonacci BS doesn't work, you know, the Contrarian, right? And if you would put the stop loss below the A, you would still be, right, you would still be in a trade. And, but going back to the Contrarian, right, we said when the market changes the short-term trend, there is the right time to draw the Fibonacci, again the Contrarian one. So here, yes, this is from yesterday. If you are not here, please watch the recording on Dukascope YouTube channel. So the market was making higher highs, higher lows, but here start making lower lows, lower highs one more time, right? Hello Queen, Euro GBP. Not the easiest one, right? But we are going to talk about Euro GBP, everybody. Okay. So talking about retracements, everybody, just to finish from yesterday, right? Contrarian Fibonacci in here. We're going to change colors. Okay, change colors. Sub A up in here, out, out. Sub A, sub B down in here. One more time. Sub C and sub D in here, everybody. Sub A, sub B, sub C. Red goes to red. This is then the sub D. This is the sub C. And we're going to readjust. This is the new sub A. Our sub B goes to sub D in here, and Fibonacci retracement tool one more time. We're going to click on fix right side, and where are we? We are here, right? So 1, 2, there you go. This is our C. This is our sub C, this is our sub D. One more time. We are going to connect. So this is our last contrarian Fibonacci sequence talking about AUDCHF. Sub D, and sub D is somewhere down in here, right? And now this is the market. Okay. Now, everybody, when you retracement trade and you see something like this, here is the question: should you trade this retracement? Listen to me very carefully, the one who are going to use the Fibonacci. If this is the original one, change colors. If this is the original one, and like this. Retracements, you know, and this is your first retracement and you won. This is your second retracement and you won. And then this is your traced retracement, like, you know, this is theory, this is theory, this is what happened for real. Should you enter in this kind of trades, yes or no? Type in the chat, there is no right or wrong, what do you think? And type why, explain why, everybody. Type in the chat, yes, this is absolutely a trade that you should take. You don't see the future, right? You just see the market falling. You can say, yes, this is the trade that you should take, or type in the chat, no, 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 no. This is absolutely not a trade. This is absolutely not a retracement trade on the original Fibonacci that you should take. Why? There is no right or wrong, everybody. We don't bite. We are here to learn. Then you know, because the original Fibonacci is strongest. So what? Everybody, the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then it's going to make a higher high, higher low, higher high, and then it's going to break the counter trend line, and I am still in a downtrend. I am still in a downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. The market's making higher highs, higher lows. Red goes to red. Counter trend line break. The market broke the relevant low one more time. And my dogs agree. why should I not enter this trade? Rather, now we have the A at the original fib very close. So what? Queen and Dancy, both of you are correct, but I'm a beginner trader. I'm learning from you, and I hear you, everybody, but my question, so what? Oh, it's near the A, so what? Oh, the Fibonacci is stronger, so what? You are correct, but I'm waiting for another kind of answer, If I enter in here, everybody, am I going to win or am I going to lose? And my dog is barking, don't enter in here, don't enter in here. Is this trade probability-wise going to be a loser, or is this trade going to be a winner? And why? Original Fibonacci original one is stronger, yes sir. We are near the A, yes ma'am. But still, I'm a beginner trader. I'm asking, okay, so what? Risk-reward ratio. No. Julius loss. So all of you are correct, everybody. 7 times out of 10, 8 times out of 10, those are guaranteed losers. You're correct. The D extension is down in here. And Queen, you are correct. And Dancy, you are correct. Yes, the Fibonacci is stronger. Yes, we are near the A. Those kind of entries, everybody, if you are trading retracements, 7 times out of 10 are going to stop you out. Okay? Just to finish the lesson from yesterday. Make sense, everybody? This is what you see, and by the way, this sub D is still just for a few pips inside the AB boundary, and this is going to be your counter trendline break, and you are going to say, yoo-hoo, one more winner for me, and oh my gosh, bam. Make sense, everybody? You are going to win occasionally, but 7 times out of 10, when the market is going to, or it's very near, as Queen said, or is going to break the A, is going to stop you out. Fibonacci levels, everybody, are hidden levels of support and resistance. Okay, everybody? So, I know some of you, right? And you are retracement traders, and you win once, and you win twice, and then the last one you give it back to the market because you are not paying attention. Where is the A? Fair enough? Right? And some of you are stubborn too. Some of you are stubborn because this is the weekly Fibonacci, right? Edit levels. Some of you are still stubborn because this is the weekly Fibonacci, right? And on the daily chart, you see that your contrarian is going to break the A, but you are telling yourself stories that, oh, maybe it's going to break the A, but it's not going to break the A of the weekly. Right? This is you, everybody, and me. We're all the same. This is us being stubborn. Make sense? Freedom, how do you know? We have a class, everybody. It's recorded. It's on Dukascopy YouTube webinars. We have a class about the confirmation time frame and the trading time frame. Remember? When we clarify what is the direct relationship So the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 30-minute chart, those charts are in a direct relationship to the, so the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour are in a direct relationship to the daily, not the weekly. And the 30-minute chart, it's in direct relationship with the 4 hour chart. So at your level of expertise, everybody, those kind of mistakes are not acceptable anymore. Make sense? Don't do this anymore. And try, oh, but it's difficult. I know. Try not to be stubborn. You know? Because here, one of the biggest challenges of a beginner trader, everybody, or of an intermediate trader is not that we cannot make some pips and money eventually, but then, you know, I'm studying, you know, I'm a great student, I'm studying the markets, I'm studying the charts, I'm trying to build my strategy, but then I'm giving it partially or 70% or more, I'm giving it back to the market. And this is, you know, oh, show me how to make money. Stop giving back to the market, you know, stop doing this stuff. Any questions so far before we move to Euro GBP? And Euro GBP, it's a great example, everybody. Let me find Euro GBP. Euro GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP. There you go. Somebody's typing, oh, this is what I've been doing. I know some of you, everybody, online, right? Still stubborn, you know. After 5 years, still stubborn, but it's okay. It's okay, right? Okay. Everybody, Euro GBP, and we're going to delete most of the things. Delete out, you know, out. Okay, out. Take a pen and paper, everybody. ABC. Take a pen and paper and teach me how to make money. Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to make money. Take a pen and paper, everybody, and let's write this down. Fibonacci trading, Fibonacci trading rule. Fibonacci does not work in consolidation. And make it bold and big and 5 stars around this sentence. 5 stars. And glue it to your computer. Clone. 1 star, 2nd star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 5 stars. Fibonacci trading rule, it's a trading rule, it's a rule for trading. Fibonacci does not work. Some of you are losing on consolidation, and you know, you are asking, oh, how to spot consolidation where there is no right or wrong, really. But if you have an up Fibonacci, everybody, it doesn't really matter on what time frame, and the market is going down and down and down, and you are going to start to draw the original Fibonacci in another direction, and the market is going to go up and up and up, and is going to stop you out again. Okay? And then you're going to say, you know, what the heck, one more time, you know, one more time, and the Fibonacci, the market is going to go down and down and down again. Everybody, Fibonacci trading rule. If the market stops you out on your Fibonacci, on your Fibonacci 3 times, there is an 80% chance there is an 80% chance for us to be in consolidation. Consolidation. Brazilian guy talking English. Take a screenshot. Well, give me this. Okay, this one. Take a screenshot of this, make a photo, screenshot, and type in the chat done so we can move forward. Fibonacci trading rule. Fibonacci does not work in consolidation, Queen and everybody else. Euro GBP, great example. If the market stops you out on your Fibonacci 3 times, you bought the market up Fibonacci, the market stopped you out, you shorted the Fibonacci and the market stopped you out for the second time, and then you went long again on the Fibonacci and the market stopped you out for the third time, there is an 80% chance for us, or maybe English, that we are. You need to learn English, man. Yes, I know. Thank you very much. We are in consolidation. Okay. Queen says done. Thank you very much. And one more time, some of you that are from previous years, some of you are still stubborn. I'm telling you, don't use the Fibonacci in consolidation. Fibonacci does not work in consolidation. You are stubborn. Dancy, Julius, Olufemi, type it. Can we move forward? Okay, very good. So, yes, 5 stars, right? Like the 5-star hotel. Okay. So, everybody, this is Euro GBP monthly chart. Some of you know it, some of you don't know it. This currency pair is in consolidation. Oh, I didn't know. Not a problem. We are here to help you. This pair, it's in consolidation. Something like this. Maybe out. Let's clear the support, resist, pivot points, everybody. Make sense? So, when you draw something like this, you know, so you would say, okay, this is the A, right? This is the A. The first, I'm not sure which one is the low. Let's zoom in, everybody. A, B, C, D. So talking about down Fibonacci. And which one is the low? 88657, 8860. But then is this one, and okay, so we have the, this is the AB, everybody. See in here, this is the A, this is the B. And guess what is going to happen? Maybe it's happening to you right now. You know, some of you might or might not have shorted this candle. Color like this, like this. So this is the Fibonacci, right, on the monthly, just an example. We're going to check the daily and the weekly too. You know, you would say, oh, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. And some of you might, right, or might not have shorted this counter trend line break. On the monthly, something like this, right? Oh, you know, yeah, maybe I don't have a confirmed C, but this is the monthly chart and this is the monthly candle. As you know, everybody, I don't have a crystal ball, but probability wise, even though yes, we have a counter trend line break, this market reacted in here and this market reacted in here, you know, and there is a probability wise, there is a great chance for this market. It's messing up and down, yes, because they are increasing the interest rate, and Europe it's this and Great Britain it's like that, but just purely technical approach, technically speaking, this market has the greatest chance to move up. So Fibonacci is not going to help you in this kind of environment. Make sense? Oh, I don't agree with you. Fair enough, you don't need to agree with me, everybody. Make sense? As I said, I don't have the crystal ball. This market can go down, and we've learned in the previous lessons that consolidations sooner or later are going to end. We've learned that consolidations are a structural part of trends, right? We've learned all of this in the previous lessons. So consolidation, and then the market is going to go back trending up or down, or maybe it's going to push to the lower retracement, another consolidation. Consolidations are normal part, structural part of the market wave or the short-term trend. On all time frames, yes sir, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute chart. Okay, so if you are going to short the Fibonacci in here, and if you would lose, I'm going to call you and I'm going to tell you, John, why did you do this? John, Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation. You've learned this, John. And then, you know, it's just an example, but we can clone the chart and we can go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we're going to delete this and delete this and delete this one. Weekly chart, this is going to be the A, right? The first low as soon as possible after the A is the B. Now this is your chart, everybody. A, B. This is your Fibonacci. Now this is your C right now. Still, it's not blue yet, it's green. Green goes to green, everybody, right? And we are still here. Okay, now if you've shorted this one up in here, it's okay, right? It's okay if you've shorted. I'm deleting the consolidation lines. Okay, if you shorted up in here, but you would short it anyway. Why? Because we're in consolidation. Consolidation, no-brainer rules. Buy support, sell resistance. Buy support, sell resistance. You would short the market up in here anyways, everybody. But let's say that you are right now learning the Fibonacci's and you are saying, oh my gosh, you know, this is the weekly Fibonacci and the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame, which is true. And I have a counter trend line break in here, which you have, everybody, and you are going to wait for the market, right? And you are going to short the market in here. I have no idea where you are going to put the stop loss, you know. You're going to invent something for sure, like I did, right, back in time. We are all the same, everybody. You know, so you would short the market, and again, you are shorting a down Fibonacci which does not work. probability wise in a sideways environment. Make sense, everybody? And one more time, some of you are stubborn. You know that Euro GBP is in consolidation, and you would go on the daily chart this time, right? And you would find your A. You're going to say, well, this is my A. This is my A back in time. This was my A back in time. This was my B, right? You would draw the Fibonacci like this, and you would say, well, this is the C. Not sure if hit the blue one. What is the blue one? 9391. So no, it did not hit the blue, everybody. So you would say, oh, this is the C, right? No, I'm not joking. Somebody did this. You know, if this is your first time, everybody, that you are learning this, it's okay, don't bother. But you have student traders that are stubborn, and somebody, you know, from 2019, 2020 would draw the Contrarian Fibonacci like this. You know, the trader knows that Fibonacci does not work in consolidation, you know, and would say, oh, I have a confirmed C, right? Of course, this is just an example, and this trader would short the counter trendline break, right? Would short the market, and of course the trader would have fun in here, you know, yeah, you know, I'm smart and this is the Fibonacci. But sure enough, you know, down in here, you know, yeah, I'm going to profit take at the green, you know, and let me see, did I win this time? If I'm unlucky, I'm going to win, everybody. Yes, I won. You know, I won. The market hit the extension. This is then the new Fibonacci. This is then the new ABCD, you know, and I'm smart, and now this is going to be my A, and this is going to be my B, right? And I'm going to wait, and I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to draw the Contrarian one here, edit levels, Contrarian, yellow goes to yellow this time, not a problem, and this is not a high, so I'm going to have the new Contrarian Fibonacci, and I'm going to say, oh, you know, well, I don't have a confirmed C, maybe, you know, and let me see, did the market hit the, you know, didn't hit the D, but anyways, you know, I have a new Fibonacci, and I'm going to wait, right, and I'm going to short the Fibonacci again in here on the daily chart, right? And in between I'm going to stress a little bit because the market is going against me, you know, one more time, and you know, now the market is sideways again. And remember, this is the daily chart, not to talk about all the emotional pain, you know, of my entry, right? Of my entry in here, going into the red territory, so I'm start to losing on the demo account if I'm smart, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you know, see in here, number one, I'm going to stress out as a beginner trader, intermediate trader, because I'm in the red. Then, so for 3 weeks I'm going to be in the red. I'm going to suffer. Most likely I'm going to close the trade. If I'm strong enough, I'm going to stay in the trade. The market is going to push down, and then the market is going to go against me, right? And is going to hit the extension of the Contrarian Fibonacci. Is this the, let me see which one is the, okay, now we have a challenge in here. Which one is the sub C? 8864, and this one is 8865. So I have a new Contrarian Fibonacci up in here, right? And now I'm going to say, okay, now I'm going to enter because my C is confirmed. Agreed, everybody? My C is confirmed, right? And I'm not sure where I'm going to enter anyways, you know, maybe I'm going to enter in here somewhere, right? Just maybe, not the perfect trend line, I don't need to break. So I'm going to wait, you know, maybe for the downtrend to appear, right? You know, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Maybe I'm going to enter somewhere in here, whatever might be the case. And let's see what is going to happen. So up and down, up and down, up and down, and where are we now? Okay, so the market hit the D extension one more time. Remember, this is the daily chart. The market hit the D extension down in here, and this would be our new Fibonacci on the daily, right? Something like this. Edit levels one more time, original one. There you go. So out, 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 out. You would do something like this. You would say 8 goes to C, you know, and now you would be shorting the market again. And you would short the market right now where we are, right? You know, and again, everybody, try to understand this. It's not a problem, you know, it's not a problem when you are doing something like this. Make sense? Not a problem. But the Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation. Oh, but you just showed me an example when it worked 2 times. If the sequence or if the consolidation is big, then you are going to win occasionally, but you are not going to produce consistent pips and money, because yeah, you won the last time, but now you are going to start to lose. Make sense? You are going to, this is just an example, try to understand the logic behind. You are going to short the market, and the market is going to go against you. And not sure what you are going to do, or you are going to get out of the trade, you are going to close the trade, and the market is going to do something like this again. And you are going to short again. And the market is going to go against you again, and it's going to stop you again. And then you're going to have your third counter trend line break. Everybody, first counter trend line break, and you're going to lose. Second counter trend line break, and you're going to lose. Third counter trend line break, and you're going to lose. And 3 counter trend line breaks, and you just gave back, dear student trader, you just gave back all the profits from this Fibonacci up in here. Everybody type in the chat, do you understand this? And some of you are still stubborn. It's not that you cannot win eventually, but then because you are Yeah, I know. Try to understand this. But I have a down Fibonacci. Yes, you do. But you are shorting consolidation. What happens, everybody, when you have, this is the upper band, this is the lower band, and we learned this, you know, and you have a confirmed consolidation, right? Now, in reverse too, this is consolidation, right? You have an up Fibonacci, everybody, you know, and you do, you have an up Fibonacci. Fibonacci just doesn't work. You have an up Fibonacci, and you are going to counter trend line break. You are going to buy in here. Number one, on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 30-minute chart, 50-minute chart. Then the market is going to go down, most likely stop you out, because you don't have trillions of dollars or euros on your account. And then the market is going to do something like this again, and you are going to counter trend line break. You are going to buy again, and then the market is going to do something like this again. It's going to stop you out for the second time, and then the market almost at support of consolidation. You are going to think, God damn it, you know, now this is the trade. I'm going to enter again because I have enough Fibonacci. Yeah, no, I shouldn't swear online. I'm sorry, everybody. But this is how we feel, right? You know? Oh, this is now, you know, this is a winner because I have a confirmed C. And you do. And you do have a confirmed C of the Contrarian Fibonacci, right? You are going to buy in here, and finally the market is going to stop you out the third time. In consolidation, you are going to type in the chat if you can relate to this, everybody. In consolidation, you are going to lose all your previous profits. Type in the chat, yes, this is what is happening to me, or type in the chat, yes, this is what happened to me. Everybody, for sure happened to me. A lot. Make sense? A lot. And it's still happening today. Make sense, everybody? Why? Because consolidation is not that easy to spot. Make sense? But when you see consolidation, if you are going to buy the Fibonacci, oh, confirmed C, buy the Fibonacci, you are going to give back, and you are going to give back all the profits from your previous trades. Most beginners, intermediate, and advanced traders, we learn how this market works. We can make money, no problem, in an uptrend. We can make pips and money, no problem, in a downtrend. But we tend to give a great portion, 70, 80, sometimes all. We tend to give it all back to the market in consolidation. True or not true, everybody? Type in the chat. I want to hear from you. True or not true? In the meantime, Queen is asking, so when we know that the pair is in the long-term consolidation, we shouldn't use the Fibonacci on any time frame, or we can? Queen, you should not. Okay? You should not. Everybody, you can use Fibonacci to analyze direction, but don't trade it. Okay? Now, write this down and take a screenshot. Pairs in consolidation. Pairs in consolidation. Who knows? Type in the chat. which pairs are in consolidation that you should not use the Fibonacci's? Everybody? Type in the chat what pairs are in consolidation. Maybe monthly consolidation. Somebody's asking, no, not the small, not on 50-minute chart, okay? But let's say from the monthly and the weekly. Everybody, what pairs are in consolidation on the monthly and the weekly? And it's good news and the bad news. What is the good news? You can make money, it's a no-brainer. What is the bad news? You are not going to use the Fibonacci's there. Yes, congratulations. One is USD CHF. We have 3 more. USD CHF, everybody. Don't use Fibonacci's on USD CHF. We have 3 more. One you are looking at right now. USD CHF, everyone. USD CHF. Monthly chart. Monthly chart. See in here, USD CHF. I have some student traders that say, oh, I don't agree. It's up to you, everybody. USD CHF, this pair was and still is in consolidation. Fibonacci's don't work. Okay, don't use Fibonacci's in here. USD CHF, it's in consolidation. 3 more. Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Olufemi, hedge fund trader Dancy. Come on. 3 more. One you are looking at right now. So Euro GBP, it's in consolidation. We have 2 more. 2 more currency pairs, everybody, where you should. I'm not your father. I'm not going to tell you, oh, you must not. I'm telling you, as a coach, you should not use Fibonacci's in consolidation. USD CHF, Euro GBP, 2 more. Everybody, 2 more. Clone. AUD NZD. AUD NZD is in consolidation. There is no right or wrong. These streams are not trading or investment advice, everybody. This sucker called AUDNZD. This is not advice, everybody, okay? But it's in consolidation, and this is what we're talking right now. You have an up Fibonacci, okay? Don't use Fibonacci on Euro GBP, USD CHF, AUDNZD. Hello Clara, how are you? And one more, everybody. So edit label AUD NZD, and then we have, everybody, GBP CAD, if I'm not mistaken. Don't use, so one more, clone GBP CAD monthly chart. Okay, in consolidation too. This is the lower band and this is the upper band. Okay, so this pair direction wise is going to go direction wise. I don't have the crystal ball. Okay, it's going to go up. AUDNZD is going to go down. USD CHF, it's kind of in the middle of the range already. It's in the middle, right? So can push up or down. And finally Euro GBP, it's in the at the bottom of the range. Okay everybody, don't use the Fibonacci on consolidation, it's not going to work. Where is the text? There you go. And just to finish for today, remember the date, Saturday, August 27. If you want, not mandatory, if you want to speed up, it's called Fast Track Series. If you want to speed up your learning, okay, we are going to have a half a day workshop. It's not me talking to you, it's you working, it's you doing. Make sense? How to build a strategy that works, that makes pips and money, and I'm giving you away my system for free, okay? August 27, and you are going to spend a lot of money, 53 bucks. Okay everybody, our time is up, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom.